Hello, this is Mr. Goliath, and we're making sure we can properly cite an article. So here's the article up here that I highlighted. I'd right-click and copy this, and I'm now ready to do a citation. Just so we're on the same page, pasting it onto your ITS is not a citation. A finished citation looks much more like this, where we actually used a website creator to do the citation. So here's a creator we can use. It's called cloudsite.net. If I click website, I can now copy and paste, or I just did Control V, and I can click the Cite button. It's going to show me exactly what it does have, the author, everything. What it doesn't have is these pieces here, the date accessed and year accessed. So I'm going to find that real quick by going to the website, and it looks like we're looking at 1/25/2017, and actually I believe they're just looking for the day that we're actually doing this. So I'll put in 19 and we'll go 2019. The only other one, we're not going with the middle name. The type of website, this was a newspaper article, so I can add that in. The rest it found, so I can hit save. Here's mine. I can now copy this. So now I would go back to the citation that needed fixing, and I can paste it, and now you can see what it should look like. And that's a proper citation. So every one of the ITS should have a citation that looks like that underneath the word citations. So that's how you can do that. You can go ahead and get started now. Good luck.